Stop, right now. Close your eyes for 3 seconds and ask yourself, what if it actually works out this time? What if that dream you were scared to chase finally pays off? What if all the late nights, the doubts, the rejections were just the setup for your biggest breakthrough yet? Most people never ask this question. They prepare for failure instead. Imagine a young singer standing in front of the world's top opera director. He looks at her plain face, simple clothes, and laughs. Give it up. Buy a sewing machine. You'll never make it. She could have believed him. She could have shrunk into a safe, ordinary life. But she refused. That girl became one of the greatest voices the world has ever known. Her name, Ernestine Schumann-Heink. The difference wasn't raw talent. It was this. She expected victory when everyone else expected her to fail. You've been there. The job that didn't call back. The business that struggled. The goal that feels impossible. Your mind has been trained by setbacks to brace for the worst. But what if you retrained it starting today? Success isn't reserved for the lucky. It is claimed by those who condition their minds to expect the win. Napoleon Hill taught us, the mind moves toward your dominant thoughts. Feed it fear and doubt, and it delivers exactly that. Feed it faith, persistence, and burning desire, minus and reality bends. Most people rehearse disaster every single day. Winners rehearse victory. Your thoughts don't just predict your future, they create it, what you vividly imagine and emotionally feel. You eventually hold in your hands. The moment you stop preparing for failure and start expecting success, doors you didn't even know existed swing wide open. So how do you do it? Simple, but not easy. Every morning, stand tall and declare your definite purpose out loud. See it, feel it. Act as if it is already happening. Use autosuggestion, repeat your goals with emotion until your subconscious believes it more than your fears. Surround yourself with belief. Cut the negative noise. Build a mastermind of people who lift you. When doubt creeps in, ask, what if it actually works out? Then take one bold action anyway. Persistence beats talent when talent quits. The breakthrough is often one decision away from where most people give up. Listen to me. You are not your past failures. You are not your current struggles. You are the architect of your destiny through the power of your mind. Frank Woolworth was told his 5 1/0 idea was stupid. He built a fortune over $100 million by refusing to let their doubt become his reality. What if your persistence finally pays off? What if your faith is stronger than your fear? What if this is the year everything changes because you decided to believe it would? Today is the day you stop expecting disappointment and start expecting abundance, opportunity, and victory. Act as if it will all work out minus because it usually does. You've got the power. Now go use it, like if you're claiming your win today. Share this with someone who needs this fire. And remember, the only thing standing between you and everything you've ever wanted is the story you keep telling yourself. Make it a winning one. What if it actually works out? It will. Start now.